Hi, this is Lindsay at La Crosse Library, and I'm going to walk you through how to log into a Zoom meeting for the very first time. So let's say you've gotten an email, and it probably looks something like this. You've been invited to a Zoom meeting. You can see the topic, the time, and most importantly, the link to the meeting. If at the time that the program is running, you won't be near your computer, you can always dial in with your phone. You won't be able to see what's happening, but you will be able to listen in. But for us, we're on our laptop, so let's try out this link. So the very first time you click on a Zoom invitation like that, you'll want to click this Download and Run Zoom option. And so it just takes a minute, and you'll want to make sure to go ahead and open that file that downloads. Okay, so once Zoom has downloaded and installed, it comes to this screen where you can put in whatever name you'd like for other participants to see and join the meeting. So when you join a meeting, you'll often get a screen like this, and it's asking, how do you want your audio to connect to the Zoom meeting? You might need something like this, or your computer or laptop might have a mic built in. If you want to make sure that your mic is picking up your voice, you can always go through this Test Speaker and Microphone option. Otherwise, I'm going to click Join with Computer Audio, and I can now see what the presenter is sharing. So in a real meeting, this might be someone's face, it might be some slides, it might be pictures, it could be anything. And it'll display the face or the screen of whoever is currently talking. So it might jump around a little bit if there's more than one person talking. With that said, you might want to see if your own mic is on or not, or if your own video is on or not. These are things you have total control over, so you can always hide if you want to, and it'll just display your name, or you can turn your mic on and off. The polite thing to do is to always make sure you're muted when you enter a Zoom meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and click mute, so you can see that the presenter or anyone else in the room right now wouldn't hear me talking, wouldn't hear me recording this. They also don't see me. If I wanted to participate and talk, I could unmute myself. You can also see any participants. You can see if anything's going on in the chat. You could even type a message to everyone. And if you wanted to see more than just the screen of the person who's talking, you can change your view up here in the upper right-hand corner. So right now we're just watching the speaker, but if we went into gallery view, we could see little squares that represent all of the different people attending this Zoom meeting. So here I am with my video turned off, so they just see my name. Here's the presenter, and if there were more people, we would see their faces or screens or names, whatever they wanted to share with us. And if we needed to leave, we would just click our Leave button here and choose Leave Meeting. So that's pretty much it. You just downloaded Zoom and logged into your first Zoom meeting. So you might be wondering, what does it look like in the future? So let's go back. Let's say we've got our link here, and we've already downloaded Zoom in the past. So this is what happens. It's going to say, this site is trying to open Zoom meetings. So just go ahead and open. And it takes you back to that screen where you can choose how you want your audio to get picked up, and you can watch and participate in the Zoom meeting. Thanks for watching. Bye.